find a comfortable seated position, either sitting cross-legged on the ground or perhaps sitting in a chair with your feet on the floor. And then if it feels comfortable, closing your eyes. And let's start by taking 3 deep breaths here. Take a big breath in and a slow breath out. Again, deep breath in and a slow breath out. Again, one more great big breath in and a really slow breath out. And then just breathing naturally. And start to notice your feet. Notice the sensations in your feet. And if there are no sensations, that's okay too. And just relaxing your feet. Notice your legs. And relaxing your legs. Notice your arms. And relax your arms. Notice your shoulders. And relax your shoulders. And notice your face. And completely relax your face. Then notice your whole body. While sitting tall like a mountain, relax your whole body. Then start to notice your breath, just breathing normally. And feel the breath come in and out. In and out. Notice if your mind is wandering. It's completely normal for our minds to do this. When your mind does this, notice the thought and let the thought slowly pass by. And gently bring your attention back to your breath once more. Now, with your eyes still closed, put your hands gently on your heart. Feel the beat of your heart. Our heart beats thousands of times every hour, pumps blood around the body, and keeps us alive. And it does all of this without us having to tell it to beat. It just does it, including when we're asleep. So perhaps we might allow ourselves to feel grateful for our heart beating right now, allowing us to live our life. What else in your body could you be grateful for? Maybe your eyes for being able to see all of the beauty of life. Maybe your ears, maybe something else. But just notice how it feels to be grateful for your body. If it makes you smile inside, then maybe put a smile on the outside, on your mouth. And just staying with that feeling until you next hear my voice. And then when you're ready, just start to slowly open your eyes again.